consensus lays out a comprehensive agenda: industrial cooperation, special economic zones, modern agriculture, maritime development, mining, technology, and major connectivity projects such as ML1, KKH, and Gawada. It is heartening to know that through 14th JCC, CPEC 2.0 will create real opportunities for our youth, researchers, entrepreneurs, and workers. Excellency, I particularly wish to re-emphasize the urgency we have agreed upon for the Mainline 1 railway project and the realignment of Karakoram Highway. The KKH realignment necessitated by a major hydropower dam will preserve uninterrupted connectivity between our nations. The early implementation of both projects will yield far-reaching economic and strategic dividends for the entire region. But to ensure Phase 2 succeeds on the pattern of Phase 1, we must strengthen the institutional mechanisms that underpin this partnership. I propose that for the first 3 years, we must hold JCC meetings every 6 months and convene joint working groups once every quarter, like we did during Phase 1. This will build momentum, sustain coordination, and ensure CPEC 2.0 advances in the spirit envisaged by our leaders. I also hope that in light of geopolitics and to counter negative propaganda of anti-CPEC forces, today's minutes and consensus will be agreed upon so that this JCC remains conclusive, decisive, and results-oriented. And we also agree to publish an updated CPEC long-term plan in light of understanding reached between our leaders on convergence of 5 V's and 5 corridors of CPEC 2.0, maybe within 90 days. Let me also assure our Chinese brothers and sisters Pakistan's commitment to ensuring the safety and security of all CPEC projects and of every Chinese national working in Pakistan is absolute. Every Chinese in Pakistan is our guest and as precious to us as life of every Pakistani is. CPEC is not only a development initiative, it is a symbol of the ironclad friendship between our two peoples. We will continue to provide the stable, secure, and enabling environment that this partnership deserves. Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude, let us remember that CPEC is about making China and Pakistan not only all-weather friends, but also partners in high-quality development and innovation for the 21st century. On behalf of the Government of Pakistan and Prime Minister of Pakistan, I extend once again my deep gratitude to the leadership of both countries, to the National Development and Reform Commission, and to all delegates for their invaluable contributions and hospitality extended to our delegation. Together with renewed determination and shared vision, we will ensure that the next decade of CPEC brings even greater transformation than the last one. In the end, I will propose 15th JCC meeting to be held in May 2026 in Islamabad as part of 75 years celebration of diplomatic relations between our great nations. Thank you very much. Sheshe.
वफाकी वज़ीर मनसूबबंदी अहसन इकबाल इस वक्त JCC के 14वें इख्तितामी इजलास से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान 2030 तक 60% साफ तवानाई हासिल करेगा। CPEC इलाकाई रवाबित के फ़रोग़ के हवाले से अहम मनसूबा है। साथ ही साथ उन्होंने कहा कि CPEC फ़ेज़ 2 आवाम और नौजवानों पर मबनी तरक्की का नया दौर होगा।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।